Assigning abstracts to your session. Click on Edit to open your session. Search for abstracts and add them to the session in the Manage Abstracts tab. You can search by various criteria such as the author's name and institutions, email addresses, categories, presentation types, control IDs, and so on. A useful option is the Unassigned Abstracts checkbox, which lists only the abstracts that are not assigned to any sessions. The results of your search will appear in the Results tab. Select the abstracts you would like to assign to this session and drag and drop them to the currently assigned abstracts grid below. In this grid, you can change the order of the abstracts by dragging them up and down. Clicking on the control ID will open the abstracts proof. The items on the abstract proof in the Session Center are configured in the Admin Proof Configuration tab for the given role. Select an abstract and click on the Remove button to unassign it from the session. Select an abstract and click on the Withdraw Selected button to withdraw the abstract. The withdrawn abstract will remain in the session but will be marked with a red W. You may wish to add a placeholder to your session. Placeholders are used to reserve time between presentations within the session. Examples include breaks, Q&A, or discussion time. Clicking on the Add Placeholder button will bring up a window where you can give your placeholder a name and description. You are able to move placeholders within the session and assign durations and final IDs. To select multiple abstracts, click an abstract title while holding Shift. Click on the last abstract in the list to include all abstracts in between. Now, you're able to select one of the Mass Update tools. Assign Durations will set all of the durations for all selected abstracts to the length you enter in the pop-up window. The system will show you the total duration time and the remaining time available in the session on the right side of the grid. If you select multiple abstracts and select Assign Final IDs, this will open a new window where you can set rules for the final ID format. You can either create a new format or run, edit, and delete existing ones. Once you run a format, a new window will appear. Enter a starting number. Choose to add the final IDs to any of the listed items within the session. Choose whether to override existing IDs and click on Continue. You will see the results in the Final ID column. Assign DOIs in the same manner as final IDs.